Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Kazaru. In today's video, we are going to be playing with a palette that I have recently bought. I got it in a sale. I'll tell you everything about it, how much it is now, and if it is available. And yeah, so the palette we're going to be playing about with today, how I got this beautiful eye look, which I think is absolutely stunning. I've already done my face and everything. I'll link all the makeup bits and bobs down below in the description box for you, in case you're interested. And we will do this look on this eye, and I'll show you exactly how I did it using this palette. This is the palette from Cosmic Brushes. You get 20 colours all together in this palette. It has a shelf life of 24 months. It's also cruelty free, and it weighs 23 grams. I paid for under 20 something pounds. I got it in the sale. You can get it now, and it is, got my notes, £25 at the moment. And in it you get 14 mattes and 6 shimmers, and one out of those 6 shimmers is a duochrome. Comes with a mirror, and these are the colours. Look this way. They are absolutely stunning, and the duochrome shade is this one. It sort of goes green, then to a gold, and it just looks really, really cool. And that's what I have on my eye at the moment. Yeah, you see it better if you tilt it. But and I'll show you how I got this look. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the colours in this palette. But this is actually my first time playing about with this palette, and I did this eye look just a sec ago. And at the moment I am quite happy with how it's turned out. I did use an eye primer. I used, again, everything will be linked below for you, but just going to show you, I am using at the moment, testing out the Revolution Ultimate Eye Base eye primer in the shade Light, and she looks like this. That's the one I'm using at the moment. At the moment I do like it, but I can't give you my final thoughts on it just yet, and I can't give like a rating out of like 5, with it being 5 being amazing and obviously 1 being a bit poo. Still testing it out, but I'll let you know soon in another video how good it is. But anyway, I think that's everything. Yeah, and my notes. Oh, but also if you are interested, on the back of the box it does say, attention, some colours contain pigments which according to US law may not be suitable for use in the eye area. So that's a little bit worrying, I guess. Again, I'd have to look up what ingredients they are, but that does say that on the box in case that bothers any of you or you have sensitive eyes. I have quite sensitive eyes, and at the moment with the shades I've used, my eyes are fine. No watering or anything like that, so that's good. And the shades I've used at the moment that I do have my eye that we're going playing with is this shade, Whipped Cream, and Gingerbread and Buttercream. I also thought there's a really fun palette for Christmas because it's just so colourful, and the name's also kind of fun because you've got Whipped Cream, Zesty, Minty, Fizzy, Lollipop, Sprinkles, you know, Smoothie, Candy Floss, Marshmallow, Buttercream, Gingerbread, Frosting, Milkshake, Jelly Bean, Charms, Sugar Plum, Sweetie, Slushy, Ice Pop, and Delicious. See? I just fell in love with the colour story. As soon as I saw it was like in the sale, I was like, yep. But at the moment, for all the shades you get and how much it weighs, what did I pay? So at the moment it's £25. I think I paid like, what did I pay? I'll have to find out exactly how much I paid. I really can't remember, but I didn't pay £25 for it. So yeah. And also I wouldn't say that this palette, this colour story is a pastel colour story, because you've got some really deep shades in here too. Yeah, it's a mix, which I like. It's like a nice rainbow palette, but there are some shades missing. Like you don't have a true yellow in here, you haven't got a black, not that there's a black in the rainbow, I'm just saying. What other colours are we missing? I can't figure the top of my head. But you've got your pinks, you've got purples, you've got greens, got your blues, no brown, in case that bothers you. And it's got more mattes than shimmers, but I don't mind because the shimmers in here are gorgeous, and I kind of liked the different colours of the mattes. So yeah, So I'm just going to pick up my brushes. All my brushes that I'm using are going to be linked all below for you. And if you are a lover of makeup and makeup reviews, why not hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. Thank you so much. And let's just crack on with this. Okay, so already primed, fringe is getting in the way. And we are going to go straight in with my loosey-goosey brush like this. And I've got a little makeup pad, wiper that I like to use. This one's just BH Studio Pro. You can get so many different ones. I got mine on the BH Cosmetics website a while ago. I think you can still pick this up though on their site. Also Amazon do them as well. They're just good for cleaning off the eyeshadows in between, dipping in, so you don't mix them up like you would normally if you do painting. You would dip your brush, do your painting, and then wash it off, wouldn't you? It's the same sort of thing, cleaning it off in between, dipping in the dry eyeshadow pigments. Okay, so I'm going to go straight in with buttercream. Looks like that. Quite a lot of payoff. It's quite pretty. Go look in my mirror. Get a bit closer to you guys. And I'm literally just going to put buttercream all up in like the top bit of my eye. Like this. Just windscreen wiper motion. And a little bit of circle motions as I come here. I like to do a backwards sort of C here. I'm sorry about my fringe if it's in the way. I should get a clip and clip it away. And just do that. How are you all doing? Are you getting your Christmas bits all together? Are you ready? Are you there? I'm not. I'm still getting little bits for my kids. And at the last minute, one of them's like, "Oh, I really would like this for Christmas." I'm like, "Well, you can keep on wishing." No, just kidding. No, I've got a few bits, but I need to get like a few more little things. And need to get something for my partner because I haven't even got that. I find getting men like things quite hard, to be honest. It's always like, "Oh, I don't really want anything," and then on the day they're like, "Oh, what? Really? You got me nothing?" But I will get him something. I'm just not sure what though, to be honest. I don't think he even knows what he wants. If he really wants anything, sometimes you can just be together. I don't have to always get stuff. Now I'm going in with the gingerbread shade, which looks like this. It's like the orangey dark shade in the palette. I'm just going to deepen up the outer corner. See, it's really nice and pigmented. It's really pretty. Oh, and I'm just using my smudge brush and really like this brush. I take the excess and put it along the bottom lash line. It just looks super, super easy. You all can do this if you want to. Just saying, it's really easy. And you obviously clicked on this video either because you like the eye look that I've created, or you want to try and do it yourself at home, or something similar with a palette that has a similar colour story, which you can totally do. And yeah, deepen up a little bit more, and I think I'm happy with that. And then sort of just now I'm going to close my eye and then go along the bottom of my lash line and then do a little line because I've done like a little sort of wing on that side. That's all I do. I just take a bit of that shade and just drag it up. Boom, we've got like an instant wing. That's how easy it is. I've got a bit of fluff, sorry. And then you can just deepen it up as we go. And if it fades a bit after like doing a blending, just taking it up a little bit more. Drag that orange just a little bit more. And that's that. And now I'm just going to take my finger and just dampen it a little bit on a wet wipe. You can use setting spray, you can use water, just tap off the excess on the back of your hand is what I do. And I'm going in the shade Sprinkles. It feels like really wet to touch it, and it looks like this. So 1 minute it looks like a pink gold, and then it shifts to like a green. Do you see that? Like, how nice is that? It's crazy. It's just so foiled looking and shimmery and green. It's just, I love this shade so much. on the eyes as well. Even my partner really noticed this one, because some of them, when you put them on the eye, you can't really notice it as much. But with this one, with sprinkles, you can. And literally just gonna go right in the middle and just push it on the eyelid, and then sort of drag it to the inner corner, but really just tapping it on, taking it a little bit up, but not too far up. And I'm just gonna go in again. I still got some left on my finger. I'm just gonna dampen my finger again for a bit for wet wipe, go in again really gently to get some more. It's so pretty. I'm just putting it more in the middle, and yeah, dragging up a little bit but not too much. Cool. And then I'm gonna take my little BH Cosmetics brush. Then it's number 132. Use this one so often. If you're new to the channel, I do slightly dampen it, or you can spray it and I'll go back in with sprinkles, just really gently, because I want this in the corner and I didn't want to use my finger. I'll just shut the eye a little bit because you want to get in your eye, and just push it on where the inner corner is. If you want, because I've already dampened it anyway, but you can use, I do have this that I am like using up. This one's okay. This is Dove Shy Glitter Fix Gel, and I picked this up on Amazon for like a couple of £2, I think. It's made in the UK. The ingredients are alright. It's aqua, which is water, but then it's just like alcohol dent, panthenol, carbuma, can't say it, and then something else I can't pronounce. Made in UK, Cumbria. It's okay. It's just really high in alcohol water, really. It's sort of sticky, but I need to buy some aloe vera, because that's like aloe vera gel, really sticky, and like aloe vera is just aloe vera. And I feel like it'll give you the same holding effect with the shimmers. So I need to get that, because I think that is what I used to use before. And then I forgot about it, and then I didn't get any more. Okay, got a little bit of fallout there, but nothing too major. Just using this just to get a bit of that shimmer up a bit. And that is that. Just gonna clean up with a little bit of my wipe. Back in a sec. Okay, and I'm just gonna take some more of that buttercream shade, which is this one here. I just want to put it along the lower bit of my lash line, just a little bit here. And I'm just sort of pushing on and doing really gentle strokes. I'm gonna go back over to the other side as well, because I feel like that needs a pinch more. And that's really nice. And now I'm gonna wipe that off and take my loosey goosey brush, which is this one, and I'm gonna go in whipped cream, which is the white shade. I just want to highlight up here near the brow bone, just ever so slightly, and just like that, just to highlight up there, but just brightens up the eye a bit more as well. And I'm going to take a bit more of that whipped cream and bring it down here, and then put a little bit in the corner of my eyes, just to open up the eye area a bit more. I do the same on the other side, just ever so slightly there and there. So we're taking that white shade and you're going just a bit above here, the inner corner. I just feel like it makes the eyes pop so much more. And just a bit there. It's an area where you might not think to actually put some highlight, but I feel like it just makes the eyes look even bigger. Just a little bit more. And then we're gonna use the smudge brush again and go back in the shade Gingerbread, just to deepen up this outer look here. Outer corner, I mean. just like that. And boom. I'm gonna be back in a minute and finish off some mascara. I'm gonna show you the mascara I'm using and what I use on the other side of my eye. I'm still using the Rimmel Extra 3D Lash. Looks like this. I picked this baby up on Amazon for like a couple of £. Really like it. I'm actually liking it more. Dare I say this? I'm liking it more than the Maybelline Sky High that I have gone to purchase. This one just doesn't seem to dry out like that other one does. And yeah, I like this one. And also it doesn't give me panda eyes, which is a bonus. So yeah, back in a minute with the eyes done. Okay everyone, I'm back with the finished look, and this is what my eyes look like close up. I'm just going to look down for you. I really like this look. I think the colours look really nice together. They blended out really nicely together as well. And so far, no irritation to the colours that I've put on. So that's a bonus. Let's get closer. I'm not using the zoom on my camera. Whenever I do it, it messes up. So I just come closer to you. Okay. I really like it. I'm really, this is like my take on the festive gingerbread man look. I really like it, and I keep doing this in my mirror because I just love the shift and the shimmer of this on my eyes. And I didn't really get like any fallout either, just like a little bit, but that was my fault. Didn't get like any fallout from the powders, the mattes I mean. Really, really good. Packaging's cardboard, in case I didn't mention that, and it does feel like, yeah, it has like a magnetic closure. Yeah, it's really, really nice. I really, really like this palette, and I'm excited to do more looks with you guys. So yeah, any colours or any looks you'd like me to do from this palette, let me know, and I will be more than happy to do that for you. Yeah, please give me a big fat juicy thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And please consider subscribing before you leave. And if you are watching lots of my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much. And I hope you're all enjoying Christmassy things and getting your houses ready wherever you live in the world for Christmas. Or even if you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you are doing well as well and are just having a good time and day. Okay. So guys, you know what I'm going to say. Makeup should be fun. Don't take it too seriously. And always take care of yourselves. Okay guys, take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.